Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a bit of investigation. I'll take you step by step on how to sort it out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to remove power. So if I open up my bonnet, then I'm going to remove the negative electrode. That will be sufficient. I don't have to take out both the negative and positive clamps. Next step, I will use my trim removal tools that I got from eBay for about £7. I'm going to leverage them and pry open the trim around the engine stop button. Right, need to push this clip on the cable connector and push it down and pull the connector back. That's it. Now I need to pull out the switch. Push these two in, then you push out on the front. Done. Where's the new one? The old and new look identical, so fingers crossed. I'll put the wiring harness on. Then before I clip back the whole body, I'll connect the battery supply back, then test the switch to see if it's working before I clip it back. So replacing the new switch is just the reverse order of what we've done on removal. The alarm seems to be gone for good. I hope this helps someone else who comes across the same scenario. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.